Back on the river, guys. It's a pretty nice afternoon, except it's a little bit windy. I didn't go over there to the other side. I was there 2 days ago, and it was very muddy. There was a lot of junk flowing down. This side is much cleaner. There's gonna be not much traffic here because it's a weekday. Probably nobody's gonna launch a boat before 5, 6 o'clock the evening or the afternoon. But the main reason I'm out here, of course, fishing. I got 2 new reels here. I just made a video of that, and I was switching around rods and reels, and I ended up with 2 rods. Didn't have nothing. I might have a bite on this one here. Yeah, I do. Anyway, as you see that white rod, just like most of you, I do have an Uglystick rod. I bought it about 25 years ago. And this one didn't have nothing on. It's a medium heavy 7-foot rod. Reason why I want to use this for carp fishing, because the tip of it is more flexible than my Senko. Whoa! Senko rod. Oh. Okay, the lines are tangled up already. Nice. Don't go that way because I got another line there too. Let's see what that is. It's the one I want to catch because we're fishing for carp here. Oh, whoa. I was just gonna tell you that it would be nice if I can get a fish on this reel and rod combo. And I did. I can't believe it. Nothing big, but it's a nice fish. You know, it's not a 20-pound fish. I'll take it. Nice. Get in there. Whoa. 9-pound fish. A little bit over 9 pounds, 9.10. Well, that was nice. Where was I? Yeah, that I got 2 new reels, and I had 2 rods that didn't have anything on it. The white one, the old Uglystick, and the other one had a reel on it. I just transferred it to a smaller rod, so I needed a 2 reel. I was actually gonna tell you, would be nice if I can get a fish today on this one the Uglystick, because this one has the Kastking Rover50. See how it works. It worked pretty good, except it didn't adjust the drag, but it worked out good. And the other one is the Fisifan, the Chaos, the 50. I already know how this one works because I already have another one. I've been using it for 2 months. And gas pretty nice. I already know this rod. I need to figure out this one yet because the braking system, and there's an extra tensioner. One of them is for tension knob for the rear, and the other one is kind of like aligning the spool centered in the frame. So I'm trying to figure out how this works, but anyway, I got a fish on it, so I like it. Rod handle is pretty good. It's actually a catfish rod, 7-foot medium heavy. I think this is going to be a good combo if I can figure out the casting reel. I mean, it's working cast pretty nice. See, and the third one is the Garcia here. Garcia and the Fisifan looks the same. They just have that one knob. And this one has 2 of them. This is the spool tension knob. Should be, but it's not. It's backward. This is centering the spool in the frame. And this one is supposed to be the spool tension knob. But I believe they work together. So once I figure it out, I might make a video of that. Whoa, here's another one. I just put that one in. Wow, lost it. Wow, I lost that one. It's pulling my line pretty good. It's a nice sized fish. Same rod, same reel. Let's see if we can catch another one maybe. Looks like I got bite on both of them. Oh, both of them. Fish on. The other one has bite too. Whoa. Oh, it's taking the line pretty good. Hope I can land it in the boat. That's gonna be a nice one, guys. Crossing the line. Oh, wow. Wow, it's fighting pretty good. I don't know how big that fish is. Wow. Try not to lose this one because this is a pretty good size. Whoa. Whoa. Yeah, pretty nice. Let's get that net over here. I can already see it. I thought it was a bigger one, but looks like a, I say about 10 pounds. But I'll take this. Gotcha. Okay guys, here's the second fish. Exactly the same weight. Just a little bit over 9 pounds. I'm happy with that. See if he can catch more. Let's see if he wants to go back. Wow. He wants to go back. Nothing happened the past half an hour, 45 minutes. Wind is picking up again a little bit. Usually I don't catch fish when it's windy. I don't know why. But going back to the casting here, that's what I wanted. I wanted to catch a fish with this reel. I did. It's too early to say anything. I'm not thrilled about this reel. I don't like the drag. Maybe it needs more adjustments. So I just take my time with it before I say anything about it, whether it's positive or negative. One thing is it casts pretty nice though. I like the way it casts. But like I said, I'm not happy with the drag system here. Maybe it's user error. So I give it some time and go from there. I tried to come out here as much as I can, trying to find a place and the best time to say fish for carp or catfish. A friend of mine, they live about 4 hours away. His son likes to fish, but he gets discouraged from fishing because he never got a fish besides, bait-sized fish, bluegills and stuff. So they want to come up here. Maybe he can catch a, like a fish, a bigger fish. So I come out as much as I can. So if they take the time, drive 4 hours up here, I want him to catch a fish, around 8, 12 pounds, that he can get a feel of it, how those fishes are fighting and so on. So that's what I'm doing out here. Every chance I get, I just come out here trying to figure out what would be the best time and so on. So have that kid catch a rare fish. My daughter's boyfriend, he wanted to catch a fish too, and they asked me whether I would take him out. I did about 4 weeks ago. He paid like $350 for a charter service on this river, not here, somewhere else. And all he got is two bait-sized catfish. So what he wanted to catch like a fish, you know, a few pounds or and up. He did catch a small catfish with me. It wasn't anything big. It was like, I would say about maybe 12-inch, 15 the most. We got a bite here. And he was all happy about it. I wasn't, because I wanted him to catch, you know, something bigger. And he actually did. I can't remember. It was somewhere around 33-inch long, 13.5 pound carp. So he did catch a fish, some decent size. I was, he was happy. I was all happy about it. It just made my day, you know, that he was able to catch a, you know, like a real fish. So that's what I'm doing. Like I said earlier, I come out as much as I can. So a friend of mine is gonna bring up his son. Hopefully he can catch a fish. They're gonna drive back and forth like, you know, 8 hours. It's let's see, it's 6 o'clock. We got about an hour. Usually after 7 o'clock. Usually, I don't catch carp. That little reservoir I was up there last week, I did catch one in the last minute. It was like 7:30. It was already almost like getting dark when I pulled my rod into that little lake. So I'm gonna hang around for another hour, see if I can get another one. Fish on. Whoa. If I can turn that off. If I can land that in the boat, that's going to be number 3. Whoa. Beside the one I lost. Don't go that way. I'm crossing my line there. It's gonna cross the other one. Yeah, it did. I think I have to switch. I was about to give up. It's already 7 o'clock the evening. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Kastking reel is handling it pretty good. My old Uglystick is handling the fish pretty good, as you see. We just need to land this thing in here. I can already see it. Well, that's gonna be a bigger one. That's gonna be a little bit bigger than the other two, I believe. Alright, buddy, come in here. Gotcha. Might not be a bigger one. We'll see. Yeah, it's gonna be a bigger one. I mean, it feels heavier. Definitely. Number 3 in the boat for this afternoon. Lost one, but I landed 3 of them in the boat. This is a 12-pound, a little bit over 12-pound fish. It's time to let it back. Let me know when you're ready. Ah, he's ready. There he goes. Wow. 3 fish in the boat this afternoon. I'm glad I didn't pack up yet. Now since I got one, I'm gonna hang around for another half an hour. See if we can get another one. Most likely we're not, but you never know. It's past 7:15. Sun is setting now. I got probably another 20 minutes before I need to wrap it up. I'm gonna wait since I just got one. Usually I don't catch carp around this time, but I'm gonna wait, see if we can pull out another one. I already had a good afternoon. Landed 3 of them in the boat, 2 9-pounders and a 12-pounder. So actually I caught 2 of them on my Uglystick with the new Kastking Rover50. They both handle the fish pretty good. I just need to spend a little bit more time with the casting. That might not be a bad reel. Well, it was a nice afternoon on the river again. I did catch a fish on the rod and reel combo that I wanted it, actually 2 of them. Plus I lost one on the same rod and reel combo. Got about 10 minutes here probably, and I'm gonna wrap it up. If you like the video, please like. If it was well worth your time, subscribe, leave a comment below. What kind of video would you like me to make? Keep in mind, I'm not on the pro level here. I just started making videos about 3 or 4 weeks. So it's gonna take me some time to get better at it. Thanks for being here. I'll see you on the next one. Whoa, not so fast. I already put one fishing rod away. Here's another one. Whoa. I usually don't catch him by that time. Come on, buddy. When I have number 4. Wow. This fish doesn't play around. That's gonna be It's gonna tangle up my line. Lost it. Wow. Whew. Kind of pissed about that. Oh, that would have been number 4. I lost it by the boat. I was too busy with the line, crossing the other line, and the fish just got unhooked. I'm just gonna stay wait a little bit more. I mean, it doesn't really matter.